This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
Let's talk online gaming.
Greetings, hello, and welcome to Go MMT Radio. Hey, my name is Jude Fernando, and I'm on the show today to give you company. Well, you've heard me for the last few days, yes, and this is one of my favorite segments, in fact, and I was totally excited to get on air to talk to someone who totally loves gaming. I'm joined by Pratyush Vashishta. Pratyush, first of all, welcome to Go MMT Radio. How are you doing, Pratyush?
I'm fine. What about you? Thank you so much for welcoming me.
Doing good. Much before I find out more about gaming from you, tell me a little bit about yourself, Pratyush. Tell me at which location you are. Tell me your role here at work.
My name is Pratyush Vashisht. I'm working with MMT for the last 4 months, and I joined my partner as a senior business manager. And currently, I'm handling East and West Delhi.
Well, that is so cool. Pratyush, when did you start online gaming? And do you remember the first game you played?
So started playing games in my graduation, and the first game I played is PUBG. After that, I started playing Valorant. Currently, my favorite is Valorant.
Now tell me, how does this game work, Valorant? What is Valorant all about? What kind of game is it?
So Valorant is basically a FPV game, so in which we have to select a character so that we can play with that, and there are special abilities of that player also. I'm playing with Rena, so she has 3 basic abilities, so we can play with that, and there are different guns and alls also. Basically क्या होता है कि Valorant में ना हम लोग एक टीम अप करते हैं, अराउंड 8 people का स्क्वाड होता है हमारा, तो जिसमें क्या रहता है कि हम लोग एक स्ट्रैटेजी बिल्डअप करते हैं, एक बॉम्ब होता है, हमें उसको डिफ्यूज करना होता है. अगर हम अटैकर साइड में हैं, अगर हम डिफेंडर साइड में, तो हमें इस बॉम्ब को डिफेंड करना होता है, प्लांट करना होता है इस बॉम्ब को इन द एनिमी टेरिटरी. सो वी हैव टू डिफेंड द बॉम्ब आल्सो, कि एनिमीज जो हैं हमारे उसको डिफ्यूज ना करें, और एक सर्टेन टाइम पीरियड तक हमें उसको डिफेंड करना होता है. एंड देयर आर 13 राउंड्स जिसमें हमें डिफेंड करना होता है. 6 राउंड्स वुड बी डिफेंडिंग एंड 6 राउंड वुड बी अटैकिंग.
ठीक है. Now, how do you prepare yourself, Pratyush? I've always wondered, how do gamers actually get ready to, battle it out?
सो एक्चुअली क्या था कि प्रिपरेशन ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं होता, बट ये है कि हाँ, कुछ स्ट्रीमर्स, कुछ यूट्यूबर्स को देख के खेलना सीखना, बाकी कुछ खुद भी प्रैक्टिस करना, फिर धीरे धीरे सर चीज वो सीखते जाना, ये होता है.
Okay. Now I have more questions about online gaming and Valorant, but before that, let's slip into a song right now.
बरसात भी आकर चली गई, बादल भी गरज कर बरस गए. बरसात भी आकर चली गई, बादल भी गरज कर बरस गए. और उसकी एक झलक के हम हुस्न के मालिक तरस गए. कब प्यास बुझेगी आँखों की, दिन रात दुखड़ा रहता है. मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है. अफसोस ये है कि वो हमसे कुछ टुकड़ा रहता है. मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद.
Meet our new joiners who showed us the musical side on radio session.
Hello everyone, this is Shreya Tatia. I am from the online products department. You are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Hey there, this is Shalini from online products department, and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Hey there, this is Utkarsh Mishra from the Revenue Domestic Flights Department, and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Headset Go.
Let's talk online gaming.
Well, I'm in conversation with Pratyush Vashishta right here. Joining me on one of my favorite segments, we are talking about gaming, and he's talking about Valorant, which happens to be one of his favorite game. Talking about Valorant, what is your rank, Pratyush? What is your rank, your peak rank?
My peak rank is Diamond 2nd.
For a layman like me, you need to tell us how does this Diamond entitle?
बेसिकली क्या होता था कि वैलोरेंट में ना सर्टेन स्टेजेस होते थे, लेवल्स होते थे कि फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कंप्लीट ब्रोंज, देन यू हैव टू कंप्लीट गोल्ड, देन यू हैव टू कंप्लीट प्लैटिनम, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन रीच टू डायमंड लेवल. सो उसमें क्या रहता था कि प्लेयर्स जो होते थे वो डायमंड लेवल के ही आते थे, मतलब लाइक प्रो प्लेयर्स जो होते थे वो आते थे, तो उनके साथ हमें कम्पीट करना पड़ता था. वही अटैकिंग डिफेंडिंग 6 राउंड्स तक डिफेंड, 6 राउंड्स तक अटैकिंग, ये सब चीजें होती थी.
Okay, so you're in diamond, which means you're at the highest level right now.
Not the highest level, like mid level.
How long did it take for you to reach to that mid level itself, Pratush?
Around 1 month.
1 month. So there's a lot of effort. How long do you spend gaming? How many hours do you spend gaming?
So in my previous months I play around 6 to 7 hours straight.
6 to 7 hours.
Yeah, I spent 6 to 7 hours to reach that rank.
You're a true gamer, and I think I should ask you this question. What do you think about online gaming industry in India, Pratush?
जैसे हम देख सकते हैं कि ऑनलाइन गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री काफी इंप्रूव हो रही है, धीरे धीरे उस चीज को इम्प्लीमेंटेशन भी हो रहा है. लाइक अभी पीएम पबजी का एक टूर्नामेंट होता है, BGMI वर्ल्ड लीग, तो उसमें ये है कि सर हमारी इंडिया से टीम भी रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा था इंडिया को, सोल ने. तो उसमें ये रहा था कि इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट किया. फिर हमारे जो लाइक अभी करंट प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं वो भी इस चीज को काफी मतलब लाइक वो कर रहे हैं, पुश कर रहे हैं कि ऑनलाइन गेमिंग की तरफ शिफ्ट हो जाइए. जिससे क्या है, एक नया सेगमेंट बन गया है सर. बेसिकली ये भी स्पोर्ट्स में आने लगा, ई स्पोर्ट्स जिसको कहने लगे हैं.
Absolutely. I was about to say it's become like a sport, and that's a booming industry just for some time. Or do you think this is going to last for really long? What is your say? What is your take?
I think it will last longer because the new games are coming day by day. And people are like मतलब काफी लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि नए गेम्स में वो लोग मास्टर करें, तो वो चीज फिर पब्लिक को भी अच्छी लगती है कि पब्लिक उस चीज को देख रही है स्ट्रीम्स पे कि नए नए गेम्स आ रहे हैं, आप ट्राई कर रहे हैं, उसको फिर मास्टर कर रहे हैं. तो इससे सर पब्लिक भी थोड़ा सा मतलब लाइक इनकरेज होती है कि मुझे भी गेम्स खेलने चाहिए. वो थोड़ा एक सर रियल वर्ल्ड से भी एक ब्रेक होता है आपका कि लाइक यू फील फ्री.
Right. Okay. How were you introduced to gaming, Pratush?
By seeing my favorite streamers, Scout, Mortal, Regulators. I watched them on YouTube. So by watching them, there's like मैंने देखा उन्हें, मेरे को लगा कि मुझे भी गेमिंग करनी चाहिए. थोड़ा सा मतलब लाइक देखते हैं क्या चीज है.
Okay. Is Valorant or any other online game good for kids or not? I mean, for like starters.
I don't think so. Valorant is a good game for like kids because like जो environment ऐसा toxicity है जो games में, like अगर आप खेल रहे हो, अगर आप proper way में नहीं खेल रहे या कुछ गलतियां कर रहे हो, तो वो सर आपको मतलब like थोड़ा सा demotivate कर देते हैं. तो वो चीज मेरे को लाइन लगता है कि kids के लिए थोड़ी better है. Like addiction also. Okay. Like you have to put like 5 to 6 hours minimum to like increase your rank, to increase your like skills and also.
Right. Did you start off with Valorant and PUBG, Pratush?
I start with PUBG, then I play GTA 5, then I also play like all the Rockstar games, Max Payne, GTA San Andreas, Vice City. After that, I shifted to Valorant.
Okay. I remember playing GTA. It was one of my favorite games back in the days. Moving on right now, I'm sure gaming itself is something that makes you feel good, but any other game that you can think of that you really like and why?
I also like Clash of Clans also. Like in Clash of Clans, you have to build the strategies of, you have to build a village of yours. You have to attack other villages. You have to loot them. Clash of Clans is also a good game, sir.
Oh, okay. All right. I want to ask you this. Are you also going through the scorching heat in Delhi right now? Because the other parts of the city are extremely hot, right? So how is the weather right now at Delhi?
Currently, I'm suffering from Delhi's weather. I'm suffering from food poisoning also due to heat.
Okay. What is that one thing that can make you feel better? Is it gaming?
Yes, it is gaming.
All right.
And
okay.
Listening to music also, sir.
What category of game will Valorant come under, Pratush?
It comes under shooting and strategy build-up game.
Okay. If Pratush has to come up with a game, you're a game designer and you need to come up with a game and there are a lot of designing elements involved. What kind of game will Pratush come up with?
I come up with like a game which is similar to like GTA, which is an open world game. Like you can drive, you can fly some jets also, you can like build your own city.
Great. So finally, one last question before I let you go, Pratush. What's your message to all listeners on online gaming?
Like my message would be like आप games खेल सकते हैं जिससे थोड़ा सा आप real world से थोड़ा हट के कुछ like अपना aggression, अपनी चीजें मतलब ठीक कर सकते हैं. थोड़ा सा आप कनेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में, उनसे बातचीत कर सकते हैं, गेम्स वगैरह प्ले कर सकते हैं उनके साथ में. ठीक है.
All right, Pratush. Thank you so much. It was good talking to you. Thank you for joining us right here, Pratush.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks.
I see trees are green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds so wide, brightness of day, darkness of night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They really say, I'm here for you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hello, Go Trippers! This is Ranveer Singh, and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.